10 potential benefits of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. As a technology, it is still in its infancy, but it is rapidly evolving and becoming more sophisticated. Here are some of the potential benefits of AI. 1. Increased efficiency. One of the most significant benefits of artificial intelligence is that it can increase efficiency. Artificial intelligence-powered systems can perform tasks faster and more accurately than humans, and they can work around the clock without needing a break. 2. Better decision-making. Artificial intelligence can help to improve decision-making by analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns that humans may not be able to detect. Artificial intelligence can also help to identify potential risks and opportunities, allowing businesses to make more informed decisions. 3. Personalization. Artificial intelligence-powered systems can provide personalized experiences to individuals, tailoring recommendations and interactions based on their interests, preferences, and behavior. This can be particularly useful in industries such as retail and healthcare, where personalized experiences can lead to better outcomes and increased customer satisfaction. 4. Improved healthcare. Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by improving disease detection, diagnosis, and treatment. Artificial intelligence-powered systems can analyze vast amounts of data from patient records and medical images, helping to identify patterns in potential health issues. 5. Safer transportation. Artificial intelligence can help to improve transportation safety by enabling self-driving cars and other autonomous vehicles. Artificial intelligence-powered traffic management systems can also help to reduce congestion and improve the flow of traffic, ultimately leading to safer and more efficient transportation. 6. Environmental benefits. Artificial intelligence can help to reduce the impact of human activities on the environment by enabling more efficient use of resources. For example, artificial intelligence-powered systems can optimize energy usage in buildings, reducing waste and lowering carbon emissions. 7. Improved education. Artificial intelligence can help to improve education by providing personalized learning experiences to students. Artificial intelligence-powered systems can analyze student data and provide tailored feedback and recommendations based on their individual strengths and weaknesses. 8. Improved customer service. Artificial intelligence-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can help to improve customer service by providing quick and efficient responses to customer inquiries. These systems can handle routine queries, freeing up human staff to focus on more complex issues. 9. Better cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence can help to improve cybersecurity by identifying potential threats and vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. Artificial intelligence-powered systems can analyze vast amounts of data to detect patterns and anomalies, enabling businesses to take proactive measures to protect their systems and data. 10. Improved accessibility. Artificial intelligence-powered systems can help to improve accessibility for individuals with disabilities. For example, artificial intelligence-powered voice recognition technology can enable individuals with mobility impairments to control devices using voice commands. In conclusion, artificial intelligence has the potential to bring about significant benefits across a range of industries and applications. From improving efficiency and decision-making to revolutionizing healthcare and transportation, artificial intelligence can help to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. Chatbot marketing and AI, the future of customer engagement. Chatbot marketing is a form of digital marketing that leverages chatbots, automated computer programs that simulate human conversation, to communicate with customers and prospects. Chatbot marketing has gained popularity in recent years due to the growth of messaging apps and the increasing use of artificial intelligence, AI, in marketing. Chatbot marketing can be used for a wide range of purposes, including lead generation, customer service, sales, and more. Chatbots can engage with customers in a personalized and conversational way, providing them with the information they need and guiding them through the buyer's journey. Artificial intelligence is an essential component of chatbot marketing. AI enables chatbots to learn and improve over time, becoming more effective at engaging with customers and delivering relevant information. AI-powered chatbots can analyze customer data and behavior, identifying patterns and insights that can be used to optimize marketing strategies. There are two main types of chatbots: rule-based and AI-powered. Rule-based chatbots follow a set of predefined rules and scripts, and can only respond to specific inputs or commands. AI-powered chatbots, on the other hand, use natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning algorithms to understand and interpret customer messages and provide more personalized and relevant responses. To create a chatbot marketing campaign, businesses first need to identify their target audience and determine what type of chatbot would be most effective for their needs. Once the chatbot is developed, it can be integrated with various messaging platforms, such as Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, or Slack. Customers can then interact with the chatbot through these platforms, asking questions, making requests, or placing orders. One of the key benefits of chatbot marketing is that it can help businesses save time and resources. Chatbots can handle a large volume of customer inquiries and requests, freeing up human employees to focus on more complex tasks. Additionally, chatbots can be available 24/7, providing customers with immediate assistance even outside of regular business hours. Another advantage of chatbot marketing is that it can help businesses improve their customer engagement and loyalty. Chatbots can provide personalized recommendations and suggestions based on customer data, helping businesses better understand their customers' needs and preferences. By offering a more convenient and efficient customer experience, chatbots can help businesses build stronger relationships with their customers. AI-powered chatbots can also help businesses optimize their marketing strategies. By analyzing customer data and behavior, chatbots can identify patterns and insights that can be used to improve targeting and segmentation. Chatbots can also provide real-time feedback on customer interactions, helping businesses refine their messaging and improve their overall marketing approach. In conclusion, chatbot marketing is a powerful tool that can help businesses improve their customer engagement and loyalty, while also optimizing their marketing strategies. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, businesses can create chatbots that provide personalized and relevant assistance to their customers, leading to improved customer satisfaction and increased revenue. As chatbot technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of chatbot marketing in the years ahead. 6 ways how artificial intelligence, AI, fulfilling financial needs. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming many industries, including finance. AI is a powerful tool that can be used to analyze large amounts of data and provide insights that can help financial institutions make better decisions. 1. Fraud detection. Fraud is a major problem in finance, and traditional methods of fraud detection can be time-consuming and ineffective. AI can help to detect fraud by analyzing large amounts of data and identifying patterns that may indicate fraudulent activity. Machine learning algorithms can be trained to recognize patterns in transaction data and flag suspicious transactions for further investigation. For example, a bank may use AI to analyze customer transaction data and identify patterns that may indicate fraudulent activity, such as unusually large transactions or transactions that occur at unusual times or locations. AI can also be used to monitor social media and other online sources for signs of fraud or identity theft. 2. Risk assessment. AI can be used to assess risk in the financial industry. This can be done by analyzing data such as credit scores, loan histories, and other financial data to determine the likelihood that a borrower will default on a loan. For example, a lender may use AI to analyze a borrower's credit history, income, and other financial data to determine the likelihood that the borrower will default on a loan. The lender can use this information to make more informed lending decisions and reduce the risk of loan defaults. 3. Investment management. AI can be used to manage investments by analyzing market data and identifying trends that may indicate a good investment opportunity. Machine learning algorithms can be trained to identify patterns in market data and make investment decisions based on those patterns. For example, a hedge fund may use AI to analyze market data and identify stocks that are likely to perform well in the future. The hedge fund can use this information to make more informed investment decisions and potentially generate higher returns for investors. 4. Customer service. AI can be used to improve customer service in the financial industry. Chatbots can be used to provide customer support and answer common questions, reducing the need for human customer service representatives. AI can also be used to analyze customer data and provide personalized recommendations and advice. For example, a bank may use a chatbot to provide customer support and answer common questions such as account balance inquiries or transaction history. The chatbot can also be trained to provide personalized recommendations based on the customer's transaction history, such as recommending a credit card with a lower interest rate. 5. Trading. AI can be used to improve trading in the financial industry. Machine learning algorithms can be used to analyze market data and make trading decisions based on that data. AI can also be used to automate trading processes, reducing the need for human traders. For example, a trading firm may use AI to analyze market data and identify patterns that indicate a good trading opportunity. The firm can then use this information to make more informed trading decisions and potentially generate higher returns. 6. Credit scoring. AI can be used to improve credit scoring in the financial industry. Machine learning algorithms can be used to analyze credit history and other financial data to determine a borrower's creditworthiness. For example, a lender may use AI to analyze a borrower's credit history and other financial data to determine their creditworthiness. The lender can then use this information to make more informed lending decisions and potentially reduce the risk of loan defaults.